Hello, boys and girls. Okay, so today we're going to start off. You can play that subtraction game we played yesterday if you want to. Don't forget to play it. But today we're going to talk about the word digit, okay? And I'm going to write that down. Digit. D-I-G-I-T. Digit. Okay? We're going to use this word. And we're going to... The digit in the tens place. Digit just means number. What's the number? The digit in the tens place is 2. And the digit in the one place is 3. What's my number? So what's my new digit, really? What's my new number? So the 2's in the tens place. And the 3's in the ones place. So what's my new number? 23. All right? What's the value of a 2? What's the value of the 2? Is it tens or ones? It's tens. So the 2 would be 20 because, you know, we say 20. It's in the tens place, so there's 2 tens, and that's 20. And the 3 is in the ones place, and what's its value is 3, right? Because it's 3 ones. Let's do another one. You ready? So, I'm going to say it backwards. So get ready. The ones digit of 1 and a 10 digit of 3. The digit in the tens place is, so what number am I? Right, so it's 30 what? 31 is my number, right? Now, let's talk. The digit in the tens place is 1 more than 2, which is 3. And the digit in the ones place is 1 less than 2, and that's 1. What's my new number? It's 31, right? So I told you the sequence was 1 digit of 1 and 10 digit of 3, and then I said it to you differently. All right, so I'm going to say it to this one real different, okay? The digit in the ones place is equal to 8 minus 4. So the one in the ones place is 8 minus 4. What is that? What's 8 minus 4? 4, right? Good job. The digit in the tens place is equal to 9 minus 7. So what's 9 take away 7? We should know it. 2. Very good. It is 2. So what's my new number? Very good. 24. Did you write 24? Awesome if you did. That was just a little harder than normal, okay? This is yesterday's lesson, so let's do some, we're going to write 4 numbers within 40, okay? So we're going to write, how could you use the word greater than or less than to compare 32 and 23? Right, so we have 23, 13, 32, and 22. So let's compare 32 and 23. Let's compare those. Is 32 greater than 23? Yes. 23 is less than 32. Which number has the same digit in the tens place and the ones place? So look at your number. It has the same digit in the tens place and one place. What number do we find? 22, right? Very good. Which 2 numbers have the same digit in the tens place? Which 2? Right, 23 and 22. Very good. Which 2 numbers have the same digit in the ones place? Very good. 13 and 23. Which number is less than 23? You could say 22 or you could say 13. There's 2 of them. Right. Very good. So we can ask questions so that we can just like dig into numbers. We got to get into number sense. We got to know what's greater than, what's less than, which ones have the same numbers and stuff like that. Let's do one more set, and I'm going to ask you the same questions, and you will say the answers. You ready? Let's look at them. 13, 11, 31, and 1. That's your numbers. Ready? 13, 11, 31, and 1. How could you use the words greater than or less than to compare 31 and 13? 31 is greater than 13, right? Or you could say 13 is less than 31. Let's do another one. Which number has the same digit in the tens place? Right, 11 and 13. Which one has the same digit in the ones place? Well, there's 3 of them right there. 11, 31, and 1. Very good. Which one number is less than 11? 1. 1 is less than 11. Good job with that. Very good job. Okay, so I'm going to read you the reading problem today, and I'm not going to help you solve it today. I'm going to let you solve it on your own. You're going to take a picture of it, and you're going to send it to me. All right. Remember, we read the problem, right? And then we go back, we write the numbers as we read. So we're solving the problem as we go. Carl has a collection of rocks. So what do we know Carl has? Rocks. He collects 10 more rocks. Okay? So now we know he has 10 more rocks. Now he has 31 rocks. How many rocks did he have in the beginning? Our question is, how many did he start with? Because we know he got 10 more, and we know now he has 31. So how many does he have in the beginning? So you're going to set it up. Blank plus 10 equals 31. That's going to be your number sentence. Now, you're going to solve it. You're going to take a picture of it. Don't forget to write your statement. Okay? Don't forget to write what was going on. Which one's less than? In the beginning, was it less than or greater than? That's what you're looking for. Okay. You can go ahead, pause the video, and then start there. All right. So, we're going to talk about comparing numbers. A lot of times when we compare numbers, we start with a greater than number anyway. But today, I'm going to show you a different way to do that, okay? All right. So we have 10 fish, okay? So let me draw an alligator, okay? I love alligators. They're probably my favorite. So we have 2 fish. So I'm going to draw some fish. 1, 2. And then I'm going to draw a group of 10 fish. Okay, so I have 2 fish, and then I'm going to draw a group of 10 fish. So we're going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so they don't look a lot like fish, but I tried. Okay, so we have 2 fish and we have 10 fish. I'm going to draw an alligator. And when alligators are really hungry people, right? And they always want to eat the biggest. So when I draw my alligator, I'm going to draw his mouth super big. And he's going to eat the big number, right? The alligator always wants to eat the biggest. So we say 2 is less than 10, right? This is less than 10. If you're eating, would you rather eat the bigger fish, lots of fish? Yes, you would. 2 is less than 10, right? So he wants to eat the big fish all the time. But watch this. Now look, I have 15 and I have 10. Which one does he want to eat? The big fish, right? So I'm going to draw it this way. Draw my alligator. Look when I compare them. So he's eating the more fish, so 15 is greater than 10. So this is less than, this is greater than. It's so important that you remember the alligator always eats the big fish, right? Now let's do one, and then I'm going to give you some to draw and do yourself. Let's do this one, 110, 110, and 6 ones. So we have 110, 110, and 6 ones. So I drew it, right? Which one has more, right? So my alligator is going to eat it, right? And remember, this is our less than sign. 10 is less than 16 every time, okay? So I'm going to give you some to do yourself. And you're going to draw the alligator mouth with the teeth. Of course you are. Do 30 and 20. 4 10s. And 3 10s and 8 ones. 39 and 32. 14 and 40. And one more. 23 and 32. All right, so these are yours that you need to take a picture of. You can screenshot this. You can pause the video so you can write them down. And make sure that you draw the alligator mouth, okay? And remember to use greater than and less than every time, all right? And other than that, you have some on Seesaw today that are just like that. It makes it easier, and that is all. So that is your lesson for today. It's a little shorter, I know, but it's your lesson. Have a good day. Bye.